Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm writing out names. I am taking requests, so if you'd like to see your name in a future video, leave a comment down below and I'll add your name to my list. All of the products I'm using will be linked down in the description box below if you're interested. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I post a new calligraphy video every Monday and a new watercolor video every Wednesday. If you'd like free calligraphy practice guides, head over to snowberrydesignco.com/subscribe and sign up for my newsletter. Thanks again for watching. Bye!